This is a modern potato harvester used for commercial potato harvesting. It is designed to operate efficiently in large fields and is equipped with advanced features to ensure high-quality harvests. After the potatoes are harvested, they will follow the conveyor belt and enter the cleaning department. Here, washing machine is used to clean potatoes from dirt and soil. It consists of a series of rotating brushes that quickly remove dirt and soil from potatoes. After the potatoes are cleaned, they are transported into truck containers for export or processing.